Ancient outdoor stone heritages are plagued by lichens, moss, and stubbornly calcified contaminants, pollutants that refuse to budge, no matter how much water you spray or scrub. Is there a way to flawlessly eliminate these chronic pollutants that damage cultural stone heritages, without causing a single scratch? The answer is laser light. As IMT's eco-friendly dry cleaning system, the IMT 100P, passes through, the harsh contaminants accumulated over long periods vanish instantly like magic. This is an unrivaled laser cleaning technology that inflicts zero damage on the base stone material, selectively vaporizing only the surface contaminants. Chemical-free and completely safe, the ultimate solution to restore the original state of cultural assets, IMT laser cleaning.